Morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select General Management, go to Reset Options and now mark Reset All Settings. And if you truly want to reset all the setup like security settings, language settings, actually accept them, sorry, so if you truly want to reset all the settings on your phone but still have your previous security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data and settings for downloaded apps, just mark Reset Settings. Draw your unlock pattern then and click on Reset. Now wait till it's done, and basically that's all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.